Hello friends, welcome to the Astrotech Lab. Today we are discussing on very important topics which will help you to earn some bucks online. It also help you to grow your business online. It is concept of digital marketing. I wrote a book on digital marketing titled as How to Do a Digital Marketing. Here are link and you can buy it from Amazon or Google Books. Dear friends, listen carefully what I discuss. I am quite sure it will help you to really be a smart businessman. So without wasting any time, we will start on the topic of PPC concept of digital marketing. It is very interesting topic. So let's see what is pay-per-click. In 1998, the idea of selling search ads are innovated. You could buy search results for an low as a penny or two per click. The system has quickly evolved in one of the world's most competitive marketplace. Pay-per-click, that means PPC search engines, can give you instant traffic and allow you to set or test new business models in a real time. However, the pay-per-click market is competitive. It is worth spending an extensive period of time learning, tracking your competitors, and doing deep keyword search before jumping in. Now see why use pay-per-click. Sometimes you cannot afford to or simply do not want to wait. Pay-per-click search engine allow you to be listed at the top of the search engine quickly, which allow you to quickly gather the feedback of the market conditions, split test and live audience, and gather ad test result in real time. Prototype idea to track demand before you invest into new business model or struck footing the bill for a new site. As an example of the power of PPC, you can use the Google AdWords to offer a free white paper about topics from one range website. If nobody is interested in downloading your white papers, or you cannot seem to get enough click thoughts or through, then that could indicate one or several things, and these are very important. If you cover these points, you can grow your business. First is, you are not bidding high enough to get exposure. The market is not yet ready for your product. And third one is, your marketing is from the wrong angle. Your landing page is not marketing a compiling offer. Your marketing is to the wrong people. Before starting the PPC, there are so many important factors we need to recover it. Suppose when you opening an PPC account, many people are hesitated to spend a lot of money. In spending a small amount, the business is essentially ignoring the feedback loops search engines have set up. Suppose it is better to lose $100 today or to lose it over 3 months and finally come to the conclusion that you need to change. I would rather want to know that I need to change now. Not all industries or business models will make money from AdWords. If you spend on targeted keywords, your site should have chance for success. Any marketed internet-based business, you should leverage fast feedback loops to help it improve. At the start, you want to overspend on the ads so you can see which one are effective. After a while, you can regroup your ads by price and then splash your bid price. The ineffective ad group or keyword will be disabled due to the quality-based minimum bid, or the winners will keep displaying. If you are the affiliate, lead generations may be smarter way to drive into the Google AdWords than trying to sell affiliate products. Since it is common to have the lead generations rate 20 to 20%, the feedback loop is about 10 times as fast as spelling or selling a product that may convert into the watch 1 or 2% selling. If you run a business selling high-end service, it is better options of PPC. So let's see, whom should I trust in a pay-per-click? There are a few major players in the pay-per-click arena. One of the most popular is Google AdWords, has a larger distribution network across the Google, AOL, Ask About, Earthlink, etc. Second one is Yahoo Search Marketing, currently has network partnership and span how Info Space, Alta Vista, all the web are the other partners. Third one is most popular Microsoft Ad Center, is a new player in a market, but their limited syndications network means their traffic quality is high. When beginning pay-per-click advertising, this is very important questions. I would recommend focusing on the Google AdWords, Yahoo Search Marketing, and Microsoft Ad Center. Before you start, some points needs to be remember. One of that, metric-based marketing. PPC search engines provides a high trackable marketing medium. Frequently, people begin marketing without any idea as to the approximate value of kick. If you do not set a value range manage or track the result, you have no way to distinguish good marketing from bad marketing. To know the value of the click, you need to decide what is the goal of your marketing is. If you are just branding, then you should expect to lose money to gain mind share or reinforce your branding, and marketing direct results may not as important as goal. If you are using a pay-per-click search engines for the direct product marketing, you need to know how much each click is worth. It is very important. Lead generation site typically have the conversions rate around 10% to 12%, but can go as a 30% plus if they are properly targeted and exceptionally people are visitors. Since little investment is needed, arrive at your websites, and many other sites are just click away. Spelling stuff on the web has a conversion rate similar to the direct mail advertising. High ticket items have a lower conversion rate, and unique cheap items tends to have higher conversion rate. Many store finds typically conversion rate might have anywhere from the 3 to 5%. I think doing the math is very important. There are many factors that go into click price. It is somewhat hard to measure branding, but ad distributions can help you to build brand awareness. Most other things outside of branding and tangible. If you know your average order size, profit per order, and estimated conversion rate, you can get a good idea what clicks are worth. Your search marketing offers a calculator of investment and estimate generations, when you can plug in different scenarios to estimate how much you can afford to play a pay-per-click. Some people have factors in lifetime's value of customers, but that is harder to measure, and there is still enough opportunity in many market to do your math primarily based on the direct returns. Survey the competition is also very important. It is a good idea to look at the various ads that are displaying and in which order over time. The top guys might be an idea to losing ton of money for the person who is paying premium or branding. Second one is you will lose money on learning. Most click end up being failure even if you have 30% conversion rate. It means that 7 out of 10 clicks did nothing for you. When you dip your toes into the pay-per-click into market, there stands a good chance you will lose money before you start making money. There are several reasons for that. You need to learn how to system work. That is very important. Second one is learn how to target the ads. Again things, learn what terms and importance are, what ones are not. Fourth one is learn how to write ad copy. Fifth one is learn how to bid, where to rank, and what terms are overpriced. Next, how are competing against the best account. Some competing advertisers may have other intangible assets that have them an unfair advantage. If you are running new, your competitors have more experience than you do. Some ad campaigning have been fined tons of money. Search engines are building trust factor into the account. Some advertisers may not get quality boost and cheaper ads just for being long-term advertisers or for advertising trusted website. Finally, PPC versus SEO, search engine optimization, is small paid nets. The more expensive the associated PPC ads are, more value there is a performing SEO on site in paid nights. If your average cost per click is $5, then $1,000 SEO campaigns play itself after only a few hundreds targeted visitors. AOV and micro trends to be bit smaller than Google as a monetizing niche advertising. Google has a larger advertiser case and pop-up and at cost using sometimes they call quality-based minimum bids. If you are unsure whether SEO campaigns would just its fees, you can run a test PPC account to see what type of demands there is your target market. So in this way, you can be a master in a PPC network, and you can earn more bucks, and you can make a more popular your web page or blog. You can get more information on digital marketing, how to do a digital marketing. You can purchase a book or see the preview of the books from www.astrotechlab.com or Amazon and Google Books. Friends, if you like today's informative video, just share to your friends, give comments, and subscribe channel with bell icon. Thank you very much to listen our video. See you soon. Thank you.